Hey Maddie, it's your grandma's friend Jim. Well, today I'm going to show you where I get my bees before I put them in the hive. So I'm at Dayton in Watertown, and I'm going to walk into the warehouse and show you all the bees. So a semi arrived this morning with all these bees. Hundreds of thousands, millions of bees arrived here, all different kinds. Buckfast, Italians, back as far as you can see in the warehouse there are bees. And then we'll pick up ours. So here are our bees. You've seen this before. It has the can on top, and then the queen is inside there. And that's a 3-pound box of Buckfasts. So what I'm going to do is set the bees inside this container, and then I'm going to cover it so no bees get out while I'm driving. So there are always bees climbing around on the outside of the box. So I put them in a plastic tub like this, and I put a screen over it so they don't get out and bother me while I'm driving. Okay, Maddie, we're gonna put the bees in. So remember, we put our syrup in first. We put in a couple of little sticks so the bees can climb under and get their syrup from this container. So we press really hard to get the air out, flip it over, and we have kind of an airlock. And now the bees can get in there. And then here are our bees. That's a 3-pound package. The first thing we do is we take out the syrup. This is the feed that comes with the bees when they're traveling from California. I think they left on Friday. So, if I can get this can out. Come on. This one's in there pretty tight. Oops, come on, can. Does it help if we talk to the can? Absolutely. Does the can listen? No. Okay. So we'll take the can out. We got a few bees flying. We'll set the can in there. And now we'll get the queen. Remember, she's in this little cage right here. You see her flying, walking around in there? So you remember what we do? We take this little cork out, and we put a marshmallow in to trap her in there. And the other bees will eat that marshmallow and get her out. So we set her in there, in her little cage. And now's the fun part. Are you ready? We dump the bees in. Right on top of her. And then we put paper on top of the bees. So they will pack down into the lower box where all the frames are. and then we put on our covers. Here's our inner cover. And here's our rain cover. We put a brick on top. And that's it. Our season is starting off just great, Maddie. Say hi to your grandma for me. We'll check back in the bees in a couple of weeks.